Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Truecaller app not working. So if you install this app as your caller identify, or someone trying to call you, stranger try to call you but you want to block it, you can use this app. But sometimes this app is not working, or this app is freezing or crashing. You can fix it by close the app and hold the app icon, tap app info. Here you can try to force stop and clear some space by clear cache, and also you can clear data. You can consider to clear your data, but you have to relog in your account into Truecaller. And also don't forget to update the Truecaller apps on via Play Store. Try to use every app on your Android phone, special Truecaller, with the latest version. You can update all the app from the Play Store. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.